Coming up, long luxury limos.
Now let's stop by Goss's garage. Pat wants to show us what's new in service to keep all our cars running right.
John, there have been some amazing changes in cars over the last few years. It makes them more reliable, makes them a lot more fun to drive, but there are some downsides to all of these advancements, and that is that we have to be more conscious of preventive maintenance. And one place where we have to do some preventive maintenance that we never had to before is the power steering system. See, with modern rack and pinion systems, the power steering fluid gets very hot and it breaks down with age. And when it starts to break down, that means that seals get hard and various substances build up inside the valves and so on in the steering system. Well, we need to prevent that. We need to get rid of it. And that's where BG comes in. BG Chemicals has devised a power steering flush system that uses some pretty ingenious chemicals. Has a cleaner that goes in first, and then by using this machine, we can pump the old fluid out and put new fluid in, all in one simultaneous operation. Now, this helps to keep the seals soft, it gets rid of all of the contamination, and makes the system last longer. And believe me, you don't want a steering rack or anything like that to fail these days, because it can be very expensive. This should be done every 2 years, 24,000 miles. But now another huge problem. Get all these cars that come into the repair shop that have pinging problems. Or they may have failed emissions, NOx on the emissions. Or in many cases, they stumble and hesitate slightly off idle. Well, that's frequently caused by EGR problems, exhaust gas recirculation. Now, historically, people would go in and they'd change the EGR valve and think that this was going to correct it. Well, EGR valves can be expensive and rarely do they fail. Most of the problems are not in the valves themselves, but in control devices or, in many cases today, in the passages where the exhaust gases flow into the engine. Now, cleaning exhaust passages, there really wasn't any way to do it in the past, but again, BG Chemicals came up with a way. Here we have an exhaust gas recirculation cleaning system that uses these various plates and some very strong chemicals to clean them. What happens is the valve is taken off, one of these plates is screwed on in place of it, and the chemicals are injected through the plate into the engine to clean those exhaust gas passages. Does an excellent job, usually does away with the hesitation, the pinging, and in most cases it'll get the car to pass the emissions test. So look for it. These things can save you a lot of money. And if you have a question or a comment, write to me. If I use your letter, I'll send you a Motor Week t-shirt. The address is Motor Week, Owings Mills, Maryland, 21117.